Hello students. So in previous video we studied about particular diagram of that molecules which are combined in a cubic box, and we are interested to find pressure on that particular molecule with respect to speed. So here we are trying to make equation using basic formula P is equal to mv. Since we are talking about x component, means molecule is moving along x-axis, so we are interested to find out that particular one molecule, उसकी speed, उसकी pressure, everything, force particular of that x component. So here we are go. So as we know that we are talking about cubic box, so you are imagining, I have given you example before that you can imagine a space and lots of stars are there, but these stars are moving, right? And these stars are they are actually combined in a cubic container. You can imagine this thing, so it is going to easy to elaborate. So here we are talking about cubic box and how we find volume of that cubic box. So it can be mentioned as cube of side, or we can write L cube. So why we have uh, mentioned here capital L? Because in a previous diagram, because in this diagram we have mentioned here side of that cube as capital L, and that's why we are writing here capital L cube. So this is going to be cube side. So total momentum of applied on the wall, it is going to be 2 mx. How it is we are going to see. And total distance traveled by particle of gas during collision of molecule and wall, it is 2L. So these two things we are going to see now. So let's see here. As we can as I said earlier that we are interested to find out this portion also, this one, right? You can say shaded area also, and this is shaded area of that particular cube. Now this is a cubic shape, but if we apart one particular part of that cube, then you can see here it is actually showing square shape, isn't it? Yes, it is showing square shape. So you can see here molecule is there, and it is moving towards wall, and also it is returning from that wall. So Vx, it is going to be first movement of that molecule, and minus Vx, it is going to be final movement of that molecule for particular one wall. You can consider here. So if we are talking about single layer of the cube, or one side of the cube, one side wall is in a square shape, so what will be the area for square side? Can you answer about it? So if it's considered as a side capital L, now if we consider its side as a capital L, then area will become capital L square. So because you can see here the one side layer, it is actually showing square shape. So firstly consider that molecule is moving towards, here you can firstly consider that molecule is moving towards x-axis. Now this is let me clear all these things now. So this is your x-axis, okay? So moving towards that particular x-axis, which means molecule is going to be collide with that particular wall, isn't it? Yes. So here molecule is moving with velocity Vx. Now we can say this, right? Yes, we are talking about ideal gas molecule. In ideal gas molecule, velocity is conserved, as we know that. So molecule will change its path. So molecule is changing its path. without changing velocity. So there will be no change in velocity, and that's why we will say change in velocity as minus Vx. Hope so you are understanding this very well. So if I draw some diagram here like this, consider one molecule, it is moving along with x-axis, so इसकी velocity बन जाएगी vx, and it is again returning from that, changing its path, not returning भी बोल सकते हो या फिर changing its path, it is going to be minus vx. सो इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है, सो टोटल मोमेंटम ऑफ अप्लाइड ऑन द वॉल इज 2mvx, टोटल मोमेंटम. सो नाउ इफ दिस इज वॉल, तो इसकी जो लेंथ होगी वही उसका डिस्टेंस होगा, राइट? और ये mvx माइनस इंटू माइनस mvx, तो ये बन जाएगा आपका 2mvx. Like this we are going to see in detail this. I don't have to write it again. Then total distance traveled by particle during collision of molecule, it is going to be 12 by 12. फर्स्ट साइड पे जाएगा, फिर दूसरे साइड पे आएगा, फर्स्ट साइड सेकंड साइड. इसकी वजह से ये बन जाएगा ये वाली, फिर ये वाली, तो ये बन जाएगा एल एल. इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू 2l. Sorry. So here I have tried to elaborate this particular shaded area in more detail. So yes, you can see that square area is nothing but square area is equal to side square. So here, as we know that pressure is defined as force per unit area, and the force exerted by gas molecule is defined as the rate of change of momentum. So please attention here. Firstly, force. What is force? Sorry, pressure. What is pressure? Pressure, it is going to be equal to force per unit area. Force per unit area, I have mentioned here force per unit area. But what is force? Force क्या है? Force is equal to, now see here, the force is exerted by a molecule, it is going to be defined as rate of change of momentum. And यहाँ पे इसको हम लिख सकते हैं P is equal to mv. तो यहाँ पे एक गलती हो गई है, P is equal to small m capital V, ऐसा है ये. तो ये टाइप करते वक्त हम सम एडिशन में कुछ तो भी प्रॉब्लम आ गया होगा. तो यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ P वी आर मेंशनिंग हियर चेंज इन mvx by change in time with respect to time. So whatever definition is here in alphabets, we try to write in a equation form in this way. So force is equal to P by T. So P की वैल्यू हमें पता है, इट इज़ mv. सो mv की वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिखी है, और डेल्टा जो है दिस साइन इज इंडिकेटिंग देयर इज अ चेंज, क्योंकि गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स जो होते हैं दे आर मूविंग क्योटिकली, दे आर नॉट स्टेबल, एंड इफ़ योर मॉलिक्यूल्स आर स्टेबल दैट कंडीशन इज possible at only absolute zero temperature. You have studied about that concept also. So this is not possible actually, so that's why this delta it is going to be here always. So hope so you understood it very well, that we are interested to find pressure, and if you want to find pressure of a particular ideal gas, then you have to find firstly force, and if you are interested to find force, then you should know about momentum and velocity. So this is actually chain. with respect to that we are able to P से F को निकालो, F से M को निकालो, तो आपको मिल जाएगा प्रेशर का इक्वेशन। तो पहले तो P इज इक्वल टू F बाई ए, ये पता चल गया। पर फोर्स होता क्या है, फोर्स इट इज़ रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम। रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ मोमेंटम इक्वेशन में कैसे लिखते हैं, P इज इक्वल टू एम वी। तो फोर्स इज इक्वल टू P बाई टी ऐसा भी लिख सकते हो। फोर्स इज इक्वल टू P बाई टी, और P की वैल्यू आपने यहाँ पे रख दी एम वी। डेल्टा साइन इसकी वजह से आया है कि देयर विल बी चेंज इन मॉलिक्यूल डायरेक्शन। मॉलिक्यूलर डायरेक्शन हमेशा चेंज होती रहेगी, इसकी वजह से ये चेंजेस आएंगे। Then for one molecule, now we are going to see, yes, we are interested to find out average of that particular molecule, cubic जो भी क्यूब में मॉलिक्यूल्स है उसका एवरेज निकालना है। पर उसके पहले हम निकालेंगे एक मॉलिक्यूल का प्रेशर, मोमेंटम, स्पीड, एवरीथिंग। सो फॉर one molecule in x direction, the momentum is indicated as mu x. Now don't get confused with this u. U is simply here, we are using u variable here for velocity. So my I'm not u is equal to, you can consider here capital V. I hope so there is some difference between two variables, because I am not able to write very well on the screen. So for one molecule we can write change in pressure, it is going to be pehle, which is going to be collide, then it is MUX, and minus फाइनल जो भी कोलाइड होने के बाद जो पाथ चेंज कर रहा है माइनस यू एक्स। सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी इक्वल टू चेंज इन प्रेशर फॉर कंपोनेंट एक्स, इट इज गोइंग टू बी 2MUX. So rate of change of momentum per molecule per collision, it is change of momentum, number of collision per second. Next part we will see in next one slide.